Well, Kajay Martashiv. I was making coffee this morning and I haven't really been practicing Irish that much. I've been pretty busy doing musical stuff. And I realised every once in a while there's like a couple of verbs and stuff you just realise, I just never learned how to say that. It's like, how do I not know how to say that? And when I was learning Irish, I would always try and put like a different word with a similar meaning that I did know to something so I could just get on with it. But now that I've learned enough, I'm like, right, I need to pick these kind of things up. And one of the verbs was to pour a drink. So I just thought I'd share this. But so usually in this case, I was like, right, I'll just stick on Changlan and I'll go and have a look and see what it means. And sometimes you can find like way more knowledge and information and it can just add to your day. So check this out.
So here's the word here, dorch. So that means to pour, and it can also mean, you can see number two here, it means to spill, like spilt milk or to spill blood. But if you're looking to know about pronunciations, depending on your dialect and stuff, go over to the red. You can go on the website. This is the app. You've got Ulster Irish,
Dort.
Dorch, and then you've got
Dirt.
Munster,
Dirt.
Connacht. So it's pretty cool. I like this feature here. If you go to the grammar rules as well, you can see the verbal noun. So you've got dorchu. That's Ulster pronunciation, dorchu. So ton like dorchu, I'm pouring, you know what I mean? Dorche means like poured. It's like the verbal adjective. So tashe dorchte. Dorchte, I'm pretty sure that would be it. Tashe dorchte. It's poured kind of thing. And then you've got your verbal tenses here. So you got your past tense, chlarchme. So chlarchme ma cafe. I poured my coffee, or imagine this morning. Or you can do your change it over here to present tense. You got dorchum. Dorchum coffee ahan la. I pour coffee every day. You can go future tense. You know, dorchi me ma coffee nis mwilla. I'll pour my coffee later. So it's kind of cool. Obviously, this app's super helpful. The website's equally helpful as well. So, but one thing I like about this word dorch is it seems to be. I realized this here when I learnt it. I was like, it sounds kind of like dorchel, which is your kitchen sink. So it's a good way to kind of remember the verb as well when you're by the sink. If you do learn like random objects and stuff, you're learning your kitchen or your living room or whatever. So dorchel is kitchen sink. So then if you think about that, okay, dorch, that's actually to pour. So it's a place where you pour all your liquids and different things. So it is helpful. So there you go.
So yeah, if you don't have the Changlan app, just go on the website and stuff I got there. But it's kind of cool ways to link words together and to try and think about them because you will be by your sink every day, most likely washing something or doing something, getting water, whatever it is. But you will be pouring stuff and things like that there. It's just little phrases that don't come up much in spoken Irish when you're talking to each other, but it's still good to try and build your vocabulary on the little things because you never know when you're gonna have to say something's been spelt or poured or whatever. Like just keep practicing and just keep at it. Lean agus slán.